Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get this lash look with absolutely no damage to your natural lashes, no lash glue, no magnetic liner, no liner whatsoever if you choose. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay. So you're gonna need three things in order to do magnetic lashes with no magnetic liner whatsoever. First of all, you're gonna need a good volumizing mascara. My favorite is the L'Oreal Panoramic Mascara. And then you're gonna need two pairs of magnetic lashes. First, I have the Glamnetic lashes in the style Lucky. This is what they look like. They have been worn a couple of times, just so you know, they're not brand new. And then the other style I have from Glamnetic is the style XOXO, and this is what they look like. First, you want to give your lashes a coat of the mascara. So I'm just going to take this mascara here. This is what the wand looks like. And I'm just going to go in and give my lashes a nice coat of this. And you want a volumizing mascara because you want something for the magnetic lashes to grip to. And I'm not wearing any other eye makeup today so that you can see what's going on with the lashes. I do have a little bit of highlighter right here, but that's about it. Right, I'm gonna go into the other eye. And you really want to concentrate the mascara more towards the root of the lash, as it doesn't really matter how much mascara you get on the tips of the lashes, as the magnetic lashes are going to cover that up anyway. And you don't really want a lot of mascara on there anyway, because that will make a messier lash look. And really make sure you get the inner corners and the outer corners too, so that the lashes adhere better. And then you can go ahead and do your bottom lashes if you'd like to, but of course it's not necessary. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry for a little bit. I have a little fan that I'm gonna use to accelerate the process. Once the lashes are dry to the touch, but not crunchy, you can go in with a spoolie and remove any mascara that got on the skin. Now that the mascara is on, so first I'm going to open up the pair of Lucky lashes. These are the longer lashes. You're going to want a longer pair on top and a smaller pair on bottom to secure them. So these are what they look like side by side. And let's go ahead and apply. So I'm just taking one of the Lucky lashes, the longer ones, and I'm just kind of bending it a little bit to fit my eye shape. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it right on top of my natural lashes. Like so. Then I'm going to take one of the XOXO lashes. Like so. And I'm just going to clip them underneath my natural lashes and secure them to the other magnetic lashes. Like so. My eye is watering a little bit because of keeping them open for so long. And then you want to just carefully sandwich them together. And I'll go ahead and do the other eye now. Again, taking the longer lashes, the style Lucky, bend them to your eye shape. Place them on top of your natural lashes. Take the smaller pair, the XOXO, and secure them underneath. And there you have it. Now you can use different lash combinations. Glamnetic has many different styles of lashes you can mix and match if you want a bolder look. You can use 2 of the Lucky style lashes if you'd like. I like to use sometimes the Lucky and the Vixen style together. It gives me very bold, voluminous lashes. These ones are a little more subtle. This is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. I hope you give this a try. Leave this video a like if you did like it. I hope you'll consider subscribing before you go, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!